Swire Shipping Fijian Drua farewells its head of strength and conditioning unit, Naca Cawanibuka, during the 2025 Fijian Drua Presentation Awards night. Cawanibuka joined the Fijian Drua as the head of athletic performance in September of 2021. He was previously the strength and conditioning coach for the Fiji Sevens team.
The highly respected Fijian strength and conditioning coach Naca Cawanibuka is excited for the next chapter of his career as he bid farewell to the Fijian Drua. In his speech, Cawanibuka reflected on his journey with the franchise.
The Drua, as we all appreciate, come to know as well, carries a lot of memories. The Drua came through the oceans to reach our shores. It was made possible by great men and women who were on that canoe. I'd like to also take this time just to thank for all the relationships that we've built on this journey. We are building something special, a legacy, something Fijians will be proud of. God willing, the day will come and Drua will be just like, respected, like the Crusaders, the Brumbies, Leinster, English,
Fijian Drua head coach Glenn Jackson spoke highly of Cawanibuka's contribution to the club and wishes him the best in his future endeavours.
I just wanted to make it special for him because I know how much this team and this club means for him. What he's done for me as a person and understanding the spiritual importance behind what Fiji's about is everything to do that guy. He makes our men better, and to lose someone like that to the club, I understand he's going on to better and greater things, but to lose someone like Master Naca, what he's done for this club, just to put him up, understands what sort of bloke he is, and we'll for always be grateful.
The former Fiji Sevens S&C coach is hopeful for the future of the Fijian Drua and hopes that it will continue to grow.
I've learned a lot from you men and all the great stuff that we have worked together. Professionalism, rugby is business, but also our national rugby flag. So we learn from the past. We will live in the present but prep for the future as well. So to our men, those who are staying, those who are leaving, to all our staff, Dina, Tabusoro, Koko, Tosuku.
Cawanibuka has worked tirelessly over the years, which has resulted in 2 Olympic gold medal wins and numerous World 7 Series titles, and his credentials are globally recognized. Vanina Songanga, Fiji One News.